Today is my birthday and I'm 40 years old. I'm again in the forest going to pick up some mushrooms for lunch. For my 40th birthday I want risotto with fresh mushrooms. Mushroom hunting is one of the favorite Slovenian pastime. Oh, finally found another porcini mushroom. Oh, very nice. And another one. Another one. Oh, very nice. Let's go. Mushy bria friend.
Mushy giant friend.
And that's it. Bon appetit. First is when you're 20 years old, you're young, you came out of school, college, you start your own life. And then it's 30, it's kind of middle of your life. And then there's 40. And 40 is where your real life really begins. This is today's topic because of today I'm 40 years old and it's a new chapter, and to be honest I feel great. And now that I'm 40, everything is getting so fast that I'm just
If I could take you up in boom boom bosh, boom boom, tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream.
Happy birthday to me. We just went to cake.